Hello! Today I'm gonna show you a recipe of banana bread for superheroes. This banana bread helps to find power in all of us. Today we need sunflower oil, eggs, sugar, flour, lemon, bananas, vanilla sugar, baking powder and salt. First, we need to mix our sun oil with our eggs. You don't need mixer because eggs with sun oil are mixing perfect. After mixing, put our eggs away and take another bowl. Now we need to mash our bananas. This is where you will need power and patience. When our bananas are mashed, we add them to the eggs and continue mixing. Add some lemon juice, then mix for about 1 minute and then add flour, vanilla sugar, baking powder and salt and mix. In a few minutes our dough is ready and we need to put it to our baking form. Today we don't need to butter our form. When all our dough in our form, we put it to oven for 40-45 minutes. And our pie is ready. This pie will help you to fight the hunger and will give you much power. So enjoy it. I hope this banana bread help you to find inner power. Thank you for watching, subscribe, like and comment, and have a nice day.